Hey guys, welcome back. You know, they say how you spend New Year's sets the tone for the rest of the year. For me, that meant heading out to Aspen Crossing, trading in the city lights for campfires, some sub-zero temperatures, and spending time with some of my favorite people. From a little bit of a winter camping adventure to New Year's dinner, why don't you guys tag along and see how we rang in the new year chasing true north. Another fortune teller here. Yeah, we can get a table, sure. That's the last
Sorry, just wait, but...
Well, last time we didn't work so many
Okay, here we go, try it out. Toonies or loonies. Yeah, he took my money, that's what he says.
Yes, he did.
Now listen, I'm looking deep into the future, and believe me, it's big. Tremendous even. I'm seeing black gold, baby. Oil. Not just a little drip. I'm talking a geyser of opportunities exploding under your boots. You're gonna be so rich, you're gonna make Fort McMurray look like a lemonade stand. People will ask, how did they do it? And you'll just smile and drill. Beautiful.
Well, there we go. See what sees. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
And then I was like surprised. What was it before me? The pimple.
Oh, yeah, well, yeah, I just blended those three pictures together and thought it was funny.
But the music he chose, it was like pimp music.
That's it.
Was there a lot of dirt on it?
A lot more than 5 seconds.
our country, but on a global stage.
But
How
then
about?
that's because you didn't have
Yeah.
the right people around you. Giving him trust advice. and
Yeah,
whatever,
that's
right?
too. Yeah.
And then, you know, you got to give.
Well, he wasn't a very bright man. Yeah. Good New Year's.
Happy New Year. Yeah, we made it to midnight.
Yeah, I saw your post.
Jackie, you said you wanted another
Make good content.
It's good.
that worked good.
Very good.
Do you gotta put it at the angle and the height and everything you want first before you track, or? Like, it must be a labor of love. Like, whoever owns it must be right into trains. Like, why else would you do something like this for a campground? Yeah, walk it into a tree.
Yeah. Got
That should do it, yeah.
Oh, sweet.
15-second, 20-second clips that you
Yeah.
piece together.
Yeah.
Kevin had a great idea, because I wanted to show us like rocking as going into 2026 with.
Oh.
Yeah. Candid shots.